we mwega. Ndakunyita ugeni tafarira-ini ino ya guthoma ruthiomi rwa Gikuyu na Wanjiru. Today we will learn location, how to indicate the location of something. In other words, locative prepositions. It's basically how we say on top of, under the. So we're going to learn all that in Kikuyu. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and let's go ahead and start our lesson. The first one is on top of. On top of and on, we are going to say iguru ria. Iguru ria. Or you can say iguru wa. Iguru wa. For example, the cup is on top of the table, or the cup is on the table. We will say gikombe ke iguru ria metha, or gikombe ke iguru wa metha. Gikombe ke iguru wa metha. Gikombe ke iguru ria metha. Number 2 is under the. Under is rugu rwa. Rugu rwa. So you can say rugu rwa or rugu wa. For example, the cat is sleeping under the bed. Nyau ikomete rugu rwa gitanda. Nyau ikomete rugu rwa gitanda, or nyau ikomete rugu wa gitanda. We have below. Below the, we will say the wa. The wa. For example, his name is below mine on the book. We'll say retwa riake, re the wariakwa ifukuine. Retwa riake, re the wariakwa ifukuine, or re the waretwa riakwa ifukuine. We have in the middle of or between. This is gatagate ka. Gatagate ka. An example with in the middle of, the baby woke up in the middle of the night. We will say mwana aukirire gatagate ka otuko. Mwana aukirire gatagate ka otuko. An example with between, he stood between his mother and father. We will say arogamire gatagate ka mami wao na fafa wao. Arogamire gatagate ka mami wao na fafa wao. But in Kikuyu, his mother will say nyina, his father will say ithe. So we can say arogamire gatagate ka nyina na ithe. Nyina na ithe, his mom and his father. We have inside the. Inside we say theinie. Theinie. So inside there we will say theinie wa. Theinie wa. An example, Jerry kept her hands inside her pockets. We will say Jerry aigire moko make theinie wa muhuko wake. Jerry aigire moko make theinie wa mihuko yake. Or Jerry aikirie moko make theinie wa mihuko yake. Next is beside the. Beside is mwenaine. Mwenaine. So beside there we are going to say mwena-ine wa. Mwena-ine wa. Mwena is actually the side. So if I want to say this side, I'll say mwena oyo. An example is their house is beside the lake. Nyumba yao mwena-ine wa iria. Nyumba yao mwena-ine wa iria. Nyumba yao mwena-ine wa iria. Another one is next to. Next to and near there, we are going to say hakuhe na. Hakuhe na. We can ask the question, can I sit next to the window? That will be no jikare hakuhe na dirisa. No jikare hakuhe na dirisa. If you don't want to say hakuhe or near there, you can say no jikare dirisaini. No jikare dirisaini. Maybe in a plane you want to ask someone, can I sit next to the window? No jikare hakuhe na dirisa. An example with near there, my uncle lives near our school. I'll say mama wito aikaraga hakuhe na thukuru ito. Mama wito aikaraga hakuhe na thukuru ito. Mama wito aikaraga hakuhe na thukuru ito. We have in front of. We will say bere ya. Bere ya. They are standing in front of their house. We will say marugamite bere ya nyumba yao. Marugamite bere ya nyumba yao. Marugamite bere ya nyumba yao. The next one is outside there. Outside there we'll say ja wa. Ja wa. Ja is outside. Ja. Ja. So if you wanted to say I'm going outside, you say ja. Dadie ja. To say we waited for them outside their gate, we'll say tumetereire ja wa kihingo kiao. Tumetereire ja wa kihingo kiao. Tumetereire ja wa kihingo kiao. Kihingo is gate. We have behind the. Behind is thutha. Thutha. So when we want to say behind there, we say thutha wa. Thutha wa. Thutha wa also means after. There is a dog behind our house. We will say hena ngui thutha wa nyumba itu. Or kwina ngui thutha wa nyumba itu. Kwina ngui thutha wa nyumba itu. And that is it for today's lesson. Make sure you try and indicate the location of some of the things that you have in the house. And I will see you in the next lesson. Tigwa wega!